Hi guys, it's Noah here. Today I just got some more fidget spinners. Wanted to show you them. So, before I get into this video, if any of you want to win a free fidget spinner that glows in the dark, like this one, you're not going to win the glow in the dark one, but you will win. I know this isn't a good one. I know it isn't a good one, but I don't know. It's like my first one, and it's beat up. It's not that good, but it's better than nothing. If we can hit 1 subscriber, so all you need to do is to win the fidget spinner is to subscribe, turn your notifications on, click that bell, and comment saying I subscribed, or I subscribed, I want a fidget spinner or something, and you will get this one. But you have to be like the first person. Okay? Now don't be going just saying, oh, I subscribed just to win this. Okay? This one's really fast. Yeah, I got these at a cheap place. They weren't that expensive actually, but they were like really good. Got this one that you can win off of Walmart online. It's a lot silentler. I got this one at like a deli market, these two. So yeah, there's my fidget spinner giveaway. Let's do some tricks. Yeah, I switched it from my thumb to my middle finger. And then let's do some tricks with this one. I caught that. Okay. See the illusion effect? Maybe you can. I don't know if you can. Switch camera angles. Yeah, I don't know if you can. So, yeah, it's a little weird. Like this one, can't see the illusion effect, but it goes real fast. Yes, I do have 3 of these. I have this one, and this one. This one's technically not mine. Giving it to this kid named Miles, my friend. So, yeah. So, comment, subscribe. Wait. So, I'm sorry, but if you want to win this fidget spinner, comment, subscribe, like, turn the notifications on. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I'll ship the fidget spinner to you as soon as possible. Okay? Bye.